Let me show you how to find the biggest files hiding on your system using built-in tools, command tricks, and a few trusted third-party apps. First, open File Explorer by hitting the Windows key plus E. If you want to scan your whole PC, click this PC. In the search box, type something like this or this to show files larger than 1 GB. Wait for the search bar to finish because it may take a moment. Then after it loads, click the sort button, more, and then size so the largest files appear at the top. Also, make sure hidden items is enabled by clicking the view, show, hidden items so you don't miss anything. If you're comfortable using commands, just search for command prompt and run it as an administrator and then try executing this command. This command will list files larger than about 1 GB. For a more visual and faster method, use free tools like Winderstat, Wiz3, or 3size free. For this example, we're going to use Winderstat. After downloading this software, just open it and scan your C drive or whatever drive you wish. You'll see a map or tree view showing which folders or files occupy the most space. Drill down, click a large block, and it shows you the file path so you can decide what to delete safely. This tool is helpful because they visualize space usage instantly. And that's it. With File Explorer search, command tools, and these analyzers, you can expose the storage hogs and clean them up safely. If you found this video helpful, please click like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.